In number ranking and time sequence test, our next topic is ranking test. So this ranking test is based on basically in this topic the questions which will come are in the form of, let's suppose in a class there are 10 students. Total students are 10. Rank of a student from starting or from the top, you can say, let's suppose is 4th. Then you have to find what is it his rank from the last or from the bottom. So whenever these type of questions will come, we can say this is based on your ranking. So here now we know that from the top the position of a rank of a student is 4th. And how many total students we have? Yes, 10. Now this chapter is directly based on only one formula, that is L plus R minus 1 is equal to N, where L is a rank from the left side, or you can say from the top. R is a rank from the right side, or we can say from the bottom. Minus 1 is equal to N, where N is the total number of students or total number of persons we have. So here it is given person is 4th from the top. It means, now this is your formula. It means value of L is already given, that is 4. And how many total students we have? Yes, 10. And total students are 10. So, and we have to find the rank of a student from the bottom, that is the value of R we have to calculate. So we can directly say 4 plus R minus 1 is equal to 10. Or we can say value of R will be, yes, now you can solve this equation. 11 minus 4, that is 7. It means if the rank of a person from the starting or from the top of the class is 4th among 10 students, then from bottom his rank or position will be, yes, 7th. So this is your formula, left plus right minus 1 is equal to total, or we can say left plus right is equal to total plus 1. So let's start with the first question. Rahul ranked 9th from the top and 38th from the bottom in a class. Then how many students are there in a class? Simple question. That is rank L plus R minus 1 is equal to N. Now here rank of Rahul is 9th from the top. It means value of L is, yes, 9. And 18th from the bottom. It means value of R will be, yes, 18. And we have to find total number of students. That will be 9 plus 18 minus 1, yes, which is equal to, sorry, this is 38. So 9 plus 38 minus 1 is equal to, yes, your answer is 46. Clear? So here we can say total we have 38 students. So 38 plus rank from the top is 9 minus 1. So here the total number of students will be, yes, 46, option B. Or you can say B is your correct answer. Next. Now see, in number ranking here in this video I will discuss all the different type of questions we have in ranking. So second question is, in a row of boys Deepak is 7th from the left and Madhav is 12th from the right. If they interchange their position, Deepak become 22nd from the left, then how many boys are there in the row? So firstly try to understand the statement. Here we have two boys, Deepak and Madhav. Now it is given Deepak is 7th from the left side. Similarly Madhav is 12th from the, yes, right side. And if they interchange means now in place of Deepak who will sit? Yes, Madhav. And in place of Madhav who will sit? Yes, Deepak. Then the position of Deepak is 22nd from the left. The new position of a Deepak is 22nd from the left. Now we know position of Deepak is also given from the right. Yes, what is the position of Madhav here from the right? 12. Same is the position of Deepak. So we can say what is the position of Deepak from the right side? 12th. Now we know the position of Deepak from left side also and from right side also. Can we calculate total number of students? Yes, value of R, L is given, value of R is given, value of N we can calculate. Now let's see the solution. So simple. Here this is a position of Deepak initially, that is 7th from the left. This is a position of Madhav, that is 12th from the right. Now when they interchange, it means Madhav will sit in the place of Deepak and Deepak will sit in place of Madhav. Now the initial positions are, that is Madhav is now 7th from the left and Deepak is now 12th from the right. But it is also given that is after interchanging Deepak become 22nd from the left. So total number of students will be, yes, Deepak of position from the left and right is given, that is 22 plus 12 minus 1, which is equal to 33. It means how many boys are there in a row? Yes, 33. Simple question. Just try to understand the statement. Try to solve it diagrammatically. Make the diagram and we just have to apply one concept, that is L plus R minus 1 is equal to N. Next. Now here this is an explanation, so you can also see the explanation of this question. Next, question number 3rd. Manish ranked 16th from the top and 29th from the bottom among those who passed in an examination. 6 boys did not participate and 5 failed. Then how many boys are there in a class? Now see, we have to find how many total number of boys we have. Clear? So firstly we can calculate how many total students are there who passed the examination. Yes, Manish ranked 16th from the top and 29th from the bottom. So value of L is given, value of R is given. You can calculate how many total students are there who passed. Yes, 16 plus 29 minus 1. From here we will get the total number of students who passed. 6 boys did not participate. So here we also have to add 6 students who did not participate in this competition and 5 boys are there who are failed. So total number of boys will be, yes, those who passed plus those who failed plus those 2 boys who did not participate. So firstly value of N will be 16 plus 29 minus 1, that is 44. Now 44 are the total number of boys who passed the examination, plus 6 boys we have who did not participate, plus 5 boys we have who failed. So how many total boys are there? Yes, passed boys plus failed boys plus the boys who did not participate, that is 44 plus 6 plus 5, that is 55 boys are there. Next, in a row boy students, Prem is 9th from the left and Ram is 12th from the right. In the same row Gaurav is 12th from the left and Sham is 9th from the right. Then how many students are there between Prem and Sham? So again, whatever information is given, just try to represent it diagrammatically. So firstly, Prem is 9th from the left and Ram is 12th from the right. So this is your diagram. Here we have Prem, that is 9th from the left, and Ram, who is 12th from the right. Clear? Next we have Gaurav, who is 12th from the left. It means Gaurav will be here, that is after Prem, and position of Gaurav is 12th from the left. Similarly, Sham is 9th from the right. So if you are taking the person from right, here we can say the position of Sham will be here, that is 9th from the right side. Then we have to find how many total persons are there between Prem and Sham, that is how many students are there between Prem and Sham. Now see, if question is given like how many students are there between Prem and Gaurav, can you answer? Yes, position of Prem is 9th and position of Gaurav is 12th from the left. So how many students are in between? Yes, 10th and 11th, that is 2 students. Similarly, you can calculate how many students are there in between Ram and Sham. Yes, 2 students. If position of Sham is 9th from the right and position of Ram is 12th from the right. But Can we say how many students are there between Ram and Gaurav? No, we cannot say. It may be possible that Prem is sitting here, Gaurav is sitting here, and Ram will sit in between. That is, position of Ram will be 12th from the right, and position of Sham will be here. Clear? So there will be so many possibilities, and we don't know how many persons are there between Ram and Gaurav. So here, if you have to calculate how many students are between Prem and Sham, can we calculate? No, we cannot calculate. So your answer will be yes, option D, data inadequate. That is, complete information is not given. We don't know how many students are there between Gaurav and Ram. Next, in a class of boys and girls, Vikas' rank is 9th and Tanvi's rank is 17th. Vikas' rank among boys in class is 4th from the top and 18th from the bottom. And Tanvi's rank among the girls is 8th from the top and 21st from the bottom. In the order of rank, how many girls are there between Tanvi and Vikas? Now see, again whatever information is given, now see, this question is a bit lengthy. So whatever information is given, just break into the different statements and then make the diagram. First line, in a class of boys and girls, Vikas rank is 9th and Tanvi's rank is 17th. Now see here, it is not given whether their rank is from the top or bottom. So by default, if I say I have my rank in class is 6th, it means by default I am counting from top. So whenever it is not mentioned in the statement that whether you are taking from top or bottom, by default we take from the starting or from the top. So Vikas rank is 9th and Tanvi's rank is 17th. So how can we represent diagrammatically? Yes, like this. That is, here rank of Vikas is 9th from the top and rank of Tanvi is 17th from the top. Now see what we can conclude from here, from this statement only. Can we say how many students are there after Tanvi? We cannot find, because total number of students we don't know. Clear? So here, if I say how many students are there before Vikas, we can find. Yes, because Vikas is at 9th position, it means before Vikas, how many students are there? 8. Now, in these 8, some will be boys and some will be girls. Similarly, Vikas' rank is 9th and Tanvi's rank is 17th. So, can we find how many students are there in between Vikas and Tanvi? Yes, how many students will be there? 7 students, that is from starting from 10 to 16. So in between Vikas and Tanvi there will be 7 students. Clear? So this we can conclude only from the first statement. Next, Vikas rank among the boys in the class is 4th. Now what does it means? Among boys, rank of Vikas is 4th. Now we know in overall class rank of Vikas is 9th, and in among boys his rank is 4th from the top and 18th from the bottom. So can you find how many boys are there before Vikas? Yes, here we can say 3 boys will be there, and we know total how many persons are there before Vikas. Yes, 8. So out of 8 students, 3 are boys. It means remaining 5 will be, yes, girls. We can say that. Yes. Next, Tanvi rank among the girl is 8th from the top and 21st from the bottom. Again, now among girls, rank of Tanvi is 8th from the starting. It means how many girls will be there before Tanvi? Yes, 7 girls. Now we know before Vikas there are 3 boys and 5 girls. And here we know rank of Tanvi is 8th among girls from the starting. It means before Tanvi, yes, how many girls are there? How many girls? 7 girls. So total we have 7 girls. Out of 7 girls, 5 girls are sitting or rank before Vikas. It means in between Vikas and Tanvi, how many girls will be there? Yes, two girls. Now, what you have to find? How many girls are there between Tanvi and Vikas? So, how many girls are there? Yes, two. Clear? Just take the information step by step and then try to solve. Here, firstly, it is given rank of Vikas is 9th from the top and rank of Tanvi is 17th from the top. So we can say that before Vikas there are 8 students, 8 total students we have. And we know rank of Vikas is 4th among boys from the starting. It means before Vikas how many boys will be there? Yes, 3 boys. So here next it is given Tanvi rank 8th among the girls from the starting. It means before Tanvi how many girls will be there? Yes, 7. And before Vikas how many girls will be there? 5. And total girls before Tanvi is 7. If 5 girls are before sitting before Vikas, then after Vikas how many girls will be there? Yes, 2. It means in between Tanvi and girls how many in between Vikas and Tanvi how many girls will be there? Yes, 2. So this question is a little lengthy but again easy one, easiest one. Here just solve this question step by step according to the given information. So this is your explanation. You can also see the solution from